everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Christine, and welcome to the channel, and I hope all you are doing okay. Oh my gosh, I'm not cutting this out. I'm just having a hell of a time talking today. Anyway, I was doing a makeup video, and the mailman came, and I missed my Mindful Souls um, video last month because it came, I think, the day Heidi Joe got released out of the hospital. There was no way I was filming. So all I've done is remove my address label. And usually I never hear anything shaking, but something's shaking in there. So let me get this scissor. Let's see if we can cut this. Okay, so there it is. Let me put this down. Whoa, just slightly. My cat's laying behind me, so this is what it's looking like. So the card, the card is affirmation for money. New opportunities to increase my income open up for me now. And that's what it looks like. I always hang them over here on my curio cabinet. Alright, I'm not going to look in the book yet because that always tells you what you got, so we want to be surprised, right? Alright, the sticker says open your eyes and open your mind. Cute. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Laying on the top. Oh, it's the Pastel Days New York Deep Cleansing Charcoal Black Mask. And it says pore cleaning and moisturizing, peel off charcoal mask. Non-irritating, gentle clean, safe even for all skin. Okay. How to use, cleanse your skin. Use a hot towel to put the... Alright, I'll read it later, but it looks like it is cruelty-free, and it's made in Korea. So this is what it looks like. This is the back. So there's that. Alright, so first little baggie. Okay, looks like a citrine. I could be wrong. We'll refer to our little booklet. Yeah, it says a citrine point, which I don't know if that's actual citrine or heated amethyst. It says a citrine point is believed to elevate optimism and energy to a place more able to manifest and accept opportunity. As you attract new possibilities, people and energy into your life, prosperity and abundance will soon follow. In working with solar plexus chakra, citrine warms the core to radiate power, centeredness, confidence, endurance throughout the body and mind. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so I don't want to lose it. I'm going to put it back in the baggie. Alright, next baggie. Little bag. Oh, it's a little turtle. And this is Snowflake Obsidian. Look how cute he is. Little turtle. Alright, so Snowflake Obsidian is also known as the Mirror Stone. It's believed to reflect It's believed to reflect evil eye energy back to the sender. Snowflake obsidian is associated with protection from harm and is said to break bad luck, while the turtle is a symbol of success, fertility, vitality, and great patience. So, he's really cute. Cute. Alright, back in the bag. Next baggie. Okay. Looks... It's a citrine bracelet. It's very pretty. Stone of light and happiness. Wearing citrine bracelet. Strengthen your will, motivation, and determination, helping you to go after the things you want. Citrine is also one of the most powerful manifestation gemstones because it activates imagination, bringing more creative visions and positive outlook on life. It's very pretty. It's tiny though. I don't. It's very tiny. And it has the longer thing there so you can clip it where you want, but this is what it would look like on. It's pretty. So I'm going to put that back in the bag so it doesn't get lost in that bedding stuff. Alright, so the next one. Ooh, aragonite. I love that. I love this stone. I have a lot of pieces of it. This is the aragonite stone. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay, this is red aragonite, is what it says. Red aragonite acts as a stabilizing stone and can be helpful for those who have focused on bringing more harmony into their life. Meditating with red aragonite can help ground spiritual growth to the lower chakras, raising the overall vibration of the body. It helps to create a deeper connection to planet Earth and release issues from the past and attachments in the present. Look how cool it is. Alright. I love that stone. And last but not least. Oh my God, this is beautiful. It's a tree of life. Oh my God, look at that. It's a necklace. And it's a tree of life on a huge piece of quartz. Look at that. That's beautiful. Right, let me hold it there. We're in. Oh, yep, I was right. Tree of life. Okay. Clear quartz is wrapped in a magical tree with leaves of amethyst and green aventurine. Green aventurine carries a strong connection to earth, while the amethyst improves concentration. To program the quartz with your intentions, hold it in the palm of your hand and focus on what you want to transfer into the crystal. The crystal's memory will download your intentions and help to manifest these goals. Look how pretty. That is really pretty. Heavy too. I love a heavy piece. Look at that. All right, and wow, that's beautiful. I love that so much. That is it for this month's box, and this says "You Are the Sky, Everything Else Is Just the Weather" by Pima Chodron. I'm butchering it. And then this is what the booklet looked like to explain everything. So there you go. That is my May Mindful Souls box. I like it. I liked everything. I'm a little confused about the charcoal mask, but whatever. I'm going to try it. It says peel off, and so I'm going to be a little skittish of it. Because I did have, one of those ones that really hurt getting them off. So anyway, that's Mindful Souls. I'll leave, I'll put their link in my comment section down, or in my description down below. Um, I think it's 42.70 with tax, with the tax for the box each month. The money comes out around the 7th, and then like the box came by the 13th. And it's a monthly subscription box. And I'm not sure if they have other sizes. This is, this is what I chose. And so far so good. I really like it. I've received some really beautiful pieces, and I think I'm just going to keep it for a little while longer. And if if it starts becoming like repetitive or not worth it, then I'll cancel the box. So with that being said, you guys have a great day, evening, night, whatever it may be where you're at. And please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit that notification bell if you want to know when I upload. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.